In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a document from Dropbox Paper to either a Word file or a PDF. If you've created a document in Dropbox Paper and now need it in another format for sharing or further editing, you're in the right place. Let's walk through the process together, step by step, to ensure everything goes smoothly. First, you'll need to open up the paper document you intend to convert. This can be done by accessing Dropbox via the web. Simply log into your Dropbox account, navigate to the paper section, or locate your document in your files and open it. This will bring up your document in the Dropbox Paper Editor interface, where you can view and make any final edits before exporting. Next, direct your attention to the top right corner of your document. Here, you'll find a menu button represented by 3 dots, commonly known as the More Options menu. Click on this menu to reveal a list of options related to your document. In this drop-down menu, you're going to look for an option labeled Export. Depending on your setup, it might also appear as Download or Save As. Selecting this option is your gateway to converting your paper document into a new file format. Now, you'll be presented with format options for your document export. Specifically, you can choose to export your file as a Microsoft Word document, which will be in the .docx format, or as a PDF file in the .pdf format. Each of these formats serves different purposes. A Word document is perfect if you or the recipient plan to make further edits using Microsoft Word. On the other hand, a PDF is excellent for sharing a document that looks consistent across all devices, without the need for editing. You may notice an additional option to export as a Markdown file, designated by the DMD extension. This is particularly useful for developers or anyone working in web development, but it's not quite our focus today. After selecting your desired format, the next thing you need to do is click Download. By doing this, your device will automatically process and save the exported file in the chosen format. Ensure you know where your downloads typically save on your computer so that you can easily locate the document once the download is complete. It might show up in your Downloads folder or wherever your default location is set. And there you have it. You've successfully exported your Dropbox Paper document. This process enables you to ensure your work is versatile and can be shared and used according to your needs. Thank you for following along, and I hope this guide was helpful. Feel free to explore any additional exporting options within Dropbox Paper whenever you need them.